This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Reach under the bonnet, depress the safety catch and lift the bonnet. The engine oil filler cap is located at the rear of the engine compartment, and the engine oil filter is located at the front of the engine. Unscrew the engine oil filler cap. Using a 36mm socket, slacken the oil filter housing cap to allow the oil to drain into the sump. Fully apply the handbrake. Position the trolley jack head under the front cross member jacking point and raise the front of the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with axle stands placed each side under the reinforced section of the sill. Note the small pieces of wood on the axle stands to prevent damage to the sills. Lower the vehicle onto the axle stands. The engine under tray is secured by numerous quick release type fasteners. Rotate the fasteners anti-clockwise to remove them. With the fasteners removed, withdraw the under tray from under the vehicle. Position a suitable container under the engine oil sump drain plug. Unscrew the sump drain plug and allow the old oil to drain into the container. When the oil has finished draining, remove the container. Clean the sump plug and renew the sealing washer. Clean the area around the drain plug opening in the sump, then refit the plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Manoeuvre the under tray into position under the vehicle. Use a workshop jack and piece of wood to support the under tray, then refit the various fasteners, tightening them securely. Raise the vehicle slightly using the trolley jack, then remove the axle stand from each side. Lower the vehicle to the ground. Fully unscrew the oil filter cap and remove it. Withdraw the old filter element from the housing. Insert the new filter element into the housing. Prise the large O-ring seal from the oil filter cap and fit the new one supplied with the filter. Lubricate all 3 filter cap O-ring seals with clean engine oil. Insert the filter cap into the housing and tighten to the specified torque. Fill the engine through the filler hole using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the sump. Continue to add oil a small quantity at a time until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Adding approximately a further 1 litre will bring the level up to the upper mark on the dipstick. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Note there may be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light extinguishes. Stop the engine, wait for the oil to settle, then recheck the oil level. Add more oil if necessary. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure.